Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have studied definition of T1 space and some examples on T1 space. Okay, now I'll discuss some more examples on T1 space. Okay, let X equals set of 1, 2, 3 and tau equals set of X pi singleton set 1, singleton set 2, set of 1, 2. To show that X tau is a T1 space, okay, let X is given set of 1, 2, 3 and tau is given X pi singleton set 1, singleton set 2, set of 1, 2. Here 1 and 2 are any two distinct pair of elements of X. 1 and 2 are different elements of this X. Then there exist two open sets, singleton set 1, singleton set 2, such that 1 belongs to singleton set 1 but 2 does not belongs to singleton set 1, and 2 belongs to singleton set 2 but 2 does not belongs to, here small mistake, 2 belongs to singleton set 2 but 1 does not belongs to singleton set 2. Hence by the definition of T1 space, X tau is a T1 space. Okay, next, cofinite topology. Let A, B, C and so on, they are the subsets of X, and X tau be a topological space. If tau be the collection of all subsets of X whose complement is finite, then X tau is known as cofinite topology. Here A, B, C, these are all subsets of X. X tau is a topological space. Tau is the collection of all subsets of X. If suppose their complement is finite, then X tau is known as cofinite topology. Theorem: prove that a topological space X tau is a T1 space if and only if each singleton subset of X is closed. Here topological space X tau is T1 space if and only if each singleton subsets of X is closed. Okay, proof: let singleton set X is closed set for every X belongs to X. To show that the space is T1 space, consider any two distinct elements of X. Let X and Y be two distinct elements of X. This implies singleton set X and singleton set Y are closed sets. Okay, because we have taken singleton set X is closed for all X belongs to the X, for all the elements of this X. Therefore singleton set X and singleton set Y are closed sets. This implies complement of this X minus singleton set X is an open set which does not contain X. There is no X. And X minus singleton set Y is also open set which does not contain Y. There is no Y. Okay. This implies there exists a neighborhood X minus singleton set X and X minus singleton set Y are open sets such that X belongs to X minus singleton set Y but Y does not belongs to this X minus singleton set Y, and Y belongs to X minus singleton set X but Y does not belongs to X minus singleton set Y. Hence this is by the definition of T1 space, the given space is T1 space. Okay, now take the converse part. Conversely, let the given space be T1 space. Okay, to show that singleton set X is closed, it is converse part. It is better to show that the complement of this is open set, that is X minus singleton set X is open set. Okay, let us take any element of this set. Let Y belongs to X minus singleton set X. This implies Y does not belongs to X. Okay, then there exists the open neighborhood Uy of Y which does not contain X, that is Uy is subset of X minus singleton set X. This implies union of collection Uy such that Y belongs to X minus singleton set X equals X minus singleton set X. This implies X minus singleton set X is union of open sets. This implies X minus singleton set X is open set. This implies singleton set X is closed set. Okay, next theorem: every subspace of a T1 space is every subspace of a T1 space is T1 space. For that we should consider, let X tau be a T1 space and YU be a subspace of this X tau. Now we have to show that this subspace is also a T1 space. To show that YU is also a T1 space, consider any two elements from the set Y. Let X and Y B belongs to Y be arbitrary such that they are not equal. Then XY belongs to X such that Y is a subset of X. Okay. It is given that X space is T1 space. Okay. Then this implies that there exists an open set G and H of tau such that X belongs to G, Y does not belongs to G, and X does not belongs to H, Y belongs to H. This is by the definition of T1 space. We have X belongs to G and X is a member of Y. X belongs to Y implies X belongs to intersection of these two sets G intersection Y, and Y does not belongs to G intersection Y. Next, Y belongs to H and Y belongs to Y implies Y belongs to H intersection Y, and X does not belongs to H intersection Y because X does not belongs to H. Suppose G intersection Y is P, H intersection Y is Q. We know that because G and H are the members of tau, G intersection Y and H intersection Y, by using the definition of relative topology, these are the members of U. G intersection Y nothing but P, H intersection Y nothing but Q. P and Q are members of U. Now we take a pair of distinct points X and Y belongs to Y. Then there exist P and Q open sets of U such that X belongs to P. This is X belongs to P and Y does not belongs to P, and Y belongs to Q, X does not belongs to Q. By using definition of T1 space, we can write the topological space YU is a T1 space. In the beginning we have taken YU is a subspace of X tau. Finally we proved YU is a T1 space. Therefore every subspace of a T1 space is T1 space.